This literature kit on The Wednesday Wars by Gary D. Schmidt provides engaging activities that will help educators keep the class paced and structured well. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put events in order as they happen when Holling stays behind one Wednesday. Imagine what Mrs. Baker's inspiration might be for assigning Holling to read The Tempest. Predict whether Holling, Danny, and Doug will feel differently towards Mrs. Baker after her gesture. Describe the difficult situation Mai Thi is in at her school and the significance it has within the backdrop of the story. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as exploring the motivations of the characters from the novel and describing how they impact the decisions made by them throughout the story. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Map out some of the noted architecture described in the book. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.